to this patron-requested Cupid by 50/50 dance workout. If you want to make your very own request and access 50 plus exclusive dance workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon, linked right up here. Really quickly before we get started, this video is sponsored by Dossier, one of my all-time favorite perfume brands. Dossier makes affordable alternatives to luxury perfumes, think your YSL, Tom Ford, Chanel, etc., starting at just $29 a bottle. All of Dossier's perfumes come in a cute little package just like this. When you open up the package, you'll see a little card describing the scent to you. This is Ambery Mint, inspired by a Versace perfume. Inside the box, you'll find the perfume bottle, as well as my favorite feature of Dossier, which is this little trial bottle, so you can try out the perfume for 30 days before actually committing to the big product. Dossier's perfumes are also 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and made in France. So be sure to check out Dossier's perfumes, linked in the description down below. There are a ton of scents, perfumes, and colognes to choose from. All right, guys, let's get dancing.
Someone who will share this feeling. I'm a fool for love, a fool for love. I give a second chance to Cupid, but now I'm left here feeling stupid. All the way he makes me feel that love isn't real. Cupid is so dumb. I give a second chance to Cupid, but now I'm left here feeling stupid. All the way he makes me feel that love isn't real. Cupid is so dumb.
Alright guys, workout complete. If you like this workout and want to make your very own request and access 50 plus exclusive dance workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon, linked right up here. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.